seems that she just wore this not quite long. You won't stop putting your hand in your mouth. Eh? Eh, this girl. Better sleep. Oh. Sleep. You won't stop putting your hand in your mouth. Look at your clothes. See spit everywhere. Eh, this girl. Mommy. Eh? What do you want to say? Eh? Eh? Please putting your fingers in your mouth. Eh? Well, sleep, mommy. I'm begging you. I'm begging you, please. Sleep, okay? I love you. Can you sleep, please? Can you sleep? See her eyes. Hey, this girl. Okay. Oh. If I say let me leave you now to go downstairs, it will look as if my mind will be restless if I get there. So my small baby have refused to sleep. I'm just see the way she's coughing. I'm just going to quickly rush to take my bath and then go downstairs to swap my phone. I just noticed that my internet is no longer working here, and then buy some things downstairs, but I'm just going to see if my baby is going to sleep because I really want her to sleep, and then sub for data because mine just finished this morning. Keep watching this video and also like this video if you haven't liked it yet. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and then let's go. I'm not stop putting her hand in her mouth, and anytime she puts her fingers in her mouth she will be trying to vomit. So yeah, I'll just allow her to sleep, then quickly rush into the bedroom, take my bath, and then come out. Oh my god, let's do this. Out the number so that it will be easier for me. I'll just give it to them and then quickly rush to buy other things. They've turned into a criminal in my own house. My husband actually will be slept. Toi là, j'ai un gars. Still sleeping. I won. So, look at the things that I got. Should I open it? So, I don't know why I like to take Lipton and not tea. Like, I prefer taking Lipton than drinking tea. I don't know if it has a side effect or what. Guys, please tell me. Where's the remote? Don't swallow it. Please tell me in the comment section if this Lipton, if taking Lipton has a side effect. My baby has woken up. You are still sleeping. Why are you laughing? Thank you so much for tuning in to watch this video. Yeah, I am a second time mom. I have a toddler who is 2 years old and a 3 months old baby girl also. So yeah, I just want to share with you guys what my body looks like 3 months after I sorry mommy 3 months after I had my second baby. This was me when I had my first baby. I think this was 6 months after I had my first baby, and this was what my body was looking like. As you can see, this is my tummy. This was my tummy. Um, the baby I'm currently carrying, she is just 3 months old, and when I had my first baby, all I did was my husband used hot water to press my tummy for like 2 times, and that was all that I did. I never did any other thing, something that can make me slim down and all of that. And few months after I had my first baby, I regained my body back, like the whole fat, all of them, they're all gone. I regained my tummy. As you can see, all I did was the hot water, the omugo hot water that my husband helped me to press my tummy with, and that was it. 1 year after I had my first baby, if you see me walking on the road, you will not even know that I've had any child. Now that I've had a second baby, I was also thinking that my body would go back to the way it used to be. I mean, this particular this time around, it is not the same like when I had my first baby. This was what I am looking like 2 months after I had my first baby. As you can see, my tummy was still looking like that of a 5 months pregnant woman. So 2 months after I had this baby, my tummy was still looking like this, and I added weight, but not that much. Okay, though I'm planning to go and check my weight, but I've not actually checked my weight since I had my second baby. The last time I checked my weight was when I was pregnant. That was during my third trimester. Currently, I am in 3 months postpartum, and this is what I am looking like. I mean, it is totally different from when I was in my second month postpartum. I can see a very big change. There is this recipe that I want to start taking. I actually told my husband the things that I want him to get for me from the market because he's currently not around. So I told him the things that I would want him to buy for me from the market. These are things that I am going to take. They are naturally made. They are fruits that you eat in your house. Okay, they don't have any side effects. I am just going to prepare them the way I want them to be, and I will start taking them from tomorrow. So I am also going to review my body to you guys maybe next week or next upper week to show you guys what my body will be looking like. It's not like I will still have that same body that I used to have when I was single. But to tell you guys the truth, I like my body right now more than when I was still single. Yes. When I was single, I used to be very tiny, like no bum bum. But right now, hey guys, childbirth has really done me so well that I am looking so pretty.
So yeah, I love it. And so do let me know in the comment section if childbirth changed your, your body negatively, or it has changed your body positively, the way you like it to be, or the way. Just tell me in the comment section. I would like to know. So yeah, I need to